Hello students, let's solve another question related to the same topic, which is optical rotation, optical activity. The question is, determine the concentration of a solution of length 0.2 meter which produces an optical rotation of 30 degrees. The specific rotation of the solution is 0.0209 radians meter square per kg. So let's write the given part. As we have already discussed, the expression relating specific rotation and angle of rotation, optical path as well as the concentration is theta equals SLC, where theta is the angle of rotation or rotation angle, S is specific rotation, coefficient of specific rotation, L is path length and C is the concentration. Right? What all is given here and what are we supposed to find out is we have to determine the concentration. So C here is unknown, we have to find it out. Length is 0.2 meter, optical rotation, that is theta is 30 degrees, and we are supposed to convert this into radians, that is 30 into pi by 180 degree. And specific rotation of the solution is, that is S is 0.0209 radians meter square per kg. Now substitute all that. I can write this expression as C equals theta divided by SL, or C equals theta is 30 into pi by 180, S is 0.0209, L is 0.2. So solving this we get C equals 125.2 kg per meter cube.